Syngonium is a genus of tropical plants belong to the Araceae family that are native to the Americas. These plants are commonly grown as houseplants and are valued for their attractive foliage, which varies in shape and color depending on the species and cultivar. The most commonly grown species is Syngonium podophyllum, also known as arrowhead plant or goosefoot plant, which has arrow-shaped leaves that can be green, white, or variegated. Other species include Syngonium erythrophyllum, which has large, heart-shaped leaves with red undersides, and Syngonium macrophyllum, which has large, oval-shaped leaves. 1. Syngonium neon robusta. Syngonium neon robusta is a cultivar of Syngonium podophyllum, which is a popular species of the Syngonium genus. This cultivar is prized for its bright neon green foliage, which can add a pop of color to any indoor space. 2. Syngonium snow white. Syngonium snow white is known for its unique foliage, which is predominantly white with green edges. 3. Syngonium gold illusion. Syngonium gold illusion is prized for its unique foliage, which is a rich, golden yellow color with green edges. 4. Syngonium pink illusion. Syngonium pink illusion is prized for its striking pink foliage, which can range from light pink to deep magenta, depending on the lighting conditions and age of the leaves. 5. Syngonium white butterfly. Syngonium white butterfly is predominantly green with white markings that resemble butterfly wings. 6. Syngonium mini pixie. Syngonium mini pixie is predominantly green with splashes of silver, white, and pink. 7. Syngonium albo variegata. Syngonium albo is predominantly green with white variegation. 8. Syngonium exotic illusion. Syngonium exotic illusion is predominantly green with silver variegation and a slightly pink tint to the leaves. 9. Syngonium green gold. Syngonium green gold is predominantly green with beautiful variegation of light and dark green. 10. Syngonium bold illusion. Syngonium bold illusion has graceful leaves which are sprinkled with the softest shades of light green and baby pink. 11. Syngonium cream illusion. The Syngonium cultivar known as cream illusion displays a light green color with creamy centers and pink veins, creating a refreshing and aesthetically pleasing appearance. 12. Syngonium angustatum. Syngonium angustatum is a unique and uncommon variety of Syngonium that is easily recognizable due to its trilobed leaves. The young leaves feature a green surface with yellow venation, creating a distinct and striking appearance. As the plant matures, the yellow color on the leaves fades away, and the plant can develop up to 9 lobes instead of the usual 3. 13. Syngonium painted arrow. Syngonium painted arrow boasts striking foliage with dazzling patterns and hues of vibrant green and creamy white. As it grows, the plant tends to vine out, but if you prefer a bushier appearance, you can simply trim it back. Additionally, you can propagate the plant while trimming it, if desired. 14. Syngonium holly. Syngonium holly has striking silvery white leaves. The arrow-shaped leaves have pointy edges and a freckled appearance that adds a tremendous textural appeal. 15. Syngonium pink splash. The Syngonium cultivar known as pink splash is a remarkable variety with deeply lobed leaves that exhibit a stunning combination of hot pink variegation with some green. It is crucial to avoid placing this plant in low-light conditions as it may lose its vibrant and rich pink coloration. 16. Syngonium tri-leaf wonder. Syngonium tri-leaf wonder is a unique and truly remarkable variety of Syngonium plant, recognized for its unusual narrow, trilobed leaves. The juvenile leaves have a light green color that gradually transforms into a glossy, emerald green as they mature. 17. Syngonium berry illusion. Syngonium berry illusion is a striking variety of Syngonium plant with beautiful foliage. This popular arrowhead vine is characterized by its light green leaves, which are adorned with irregular patches of dark green and pinkish veins. Interestingly, the green color of the leaves develops only in mature leaves, while the young leaves have a pinkish appearance. With its unique coloring and attractive growth pattern, Syngonium berry illusion is a sought-after addition to any plant collection or indoor garden. 18. Syngonium wendlandii. Syngonium wendlandii is a stunning variety of Syngonium plant that boasts pointy, arrow-shaped leaves with a velvety surface and striking green and silvery variegation. The plant is also commonly known as the silver goosefoot due to its goosefoot-like shaped leaves. As the plant matures, the leaves become increasingly lobed and form distinct, separated leaflets. 19. Syngonium strawberry cream. The Syngonium cultivar known as strawberry cream boasts irresistible foliage that resembles a delicious strawberry cream milkshake. The young leaves display a pink color, but as they mature, the leaves develop a green color with subtle pink undertones. 20. Syngonium panda. Syngonium panda is characterized by its unique arrowhead-shaped leaves that are predominantly green in color, with white or cream variegation. The leaves start out small and heart-shaped, but as the plant grows, they develop into the distinct arrowhead shape. The plant grows as a vine, but can also be trained to grow as a bushy plant. 21. Syngonium aurea. Syngonium aurea is characterized by its heart-shaped leaves that are predominantly yellow or golden in color, with green veins. As the plant matures, the yellow color may become more muted and the leaves may develop more green coloration. It is a climbing vine that can grow up to several feet in length, but can also be trained to grow in a bushy form. 22. Syngonium Three Kings. Syngonium Three Kings is characterized by its unique foliage, which features shades of green, white, and pink. The leaves are arrowhead-shaped and have a velvety texture. 23. Syngonium pink spot. Syngonium pink spot has arrowhead-shaped leaves that are predominantly green in color, with pink spots on the upper surface of the leaves. The spots can vary in size and intensity depending on the plant's growing conditions, with brighter light typically resulting in more prominent pink coloration. 24. Syngonium milk confetti. Syngonium milk confetti is characterized by its light green leaves that are heavily speckled with small, creamy white spots. The leaves have a heart-shaped or arrowhead shape and are typically small to medium-sized, making this plant a great choice for smaller spaces. 25. Syngonium red spot tricolor. The red spot tricolor variety is known for its striking foliage that features three different colors: green, white, and pink/red. The leaves are arrowhead-shaped and have a unique pattern of variegation. The green color dominates the center of the leaf while the outer edges are marked with white and pink/red spots. Syngoniums are relatively easy to care for and can thrive in a range of lighting conditions, although they prefer bright, indirect light. They require regular watering, but are sensitive to overwatering and can develop root rot if their soil is consistently wet. These plants can also benefit from occasional fertilization and pruning to encourage bushier growth.